Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the preview pane so you can see images immediately. Open File Explorer with Windows plus E and go to a folder that contains pictures. Once there, click View, choose Show, then select Preview pane, or just press Alt plus P for a quicker toggle. You'll notice the right side of the window now reserves space for previews. Selecting an image file displays its picture and metadata. This saves time versus opening each file and helps you inspect images quickly. Next, make sure File Explorer shows thumbnails so you can preview many images at once. Go to View, then Show, and open options to change folder and search settings. In the View tab, uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, and click Apply. This re-enables image previews for supported formats. Once done, set the layout to extra large icons or large icons to see clearer miniature versions. This improves visual scanning. Thumbnails load faster and reduce opening files when you're sorting photos. Finally, handle uncommon image formats by installing preview handlers or codecs. If you use Hike or Camera RAW files, get the appropriate extension from the Microsoft Store or the Camera Maker. This lets the preview pane and thumbnails render those files. After installing, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in to register the new handlers. If previews still fail, run disk cleanup and clear thumbnails to force regeneration. These steps ensure consistent previews and fix most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.